Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to install Atom on Windows. To install Atom, go to a browser and type Atom download. Click on the first link. Now click on download. Now this will redirect you to the GitHub location where you can download the exe. Here, click on the exe AtomSetup.exe. Click on it to download. Click on save. So now the download has started. The download is in progress now. Wait for it to complete. Okay, so now the exe is downloaded. It is around 190 MB. So once the download is complete, click on the folders icon to open it in Windows Explorer. Now we need to run the installer. So double click on the exe. So we won't be getting a setup wizard for Atom. So it will directly install and launch the Atom. So wait for the installation to get completed. So now you can see that once we clicked on the installer, it had installed Atom and launched it automatically. So now Atom is set up, and these are the steps we need to follow to download and install Atom on the system. You can also verify if Atom is installed successfully from the command prompt. So to do that, press Windows R and type cmd, enter. So this will bring up the command prompt. Here type Atom, click enter. So this will automatically launch the Atom. I have also prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing a link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.